Welcome to Sadie's Spincraft. Right, I'm all excited because I have had a delivery from a subscriber. We've been in contact. She says, I'm alright to show it all, but she'd rather not have it who it's from. So we'll keep the top to ourselves. So let's get into it. So this is first one, Sand Fusion. Oh, that's soft. Oh. Oh. That feels like merino. Maybe alpaca and camel. Oh, it smells good. Oh. Oh. That is lovely. Oh. I'm all excited. Right, pop that one there. So, here we go. Here we go. So, what we've looked at, we'll pop in there. Oh, 3 1/4 or 3/4 ounce Falkland. And that's nice. I'm going to dye this up. I can't wait. Thank you. What's next? Ooh, I see purples and pinks. Ooh, it's a kit. 9 ounce kit. Oh, what's that? BFL silk. Let's have a gander at this gorgeous stuffs. Can I get it out? Oh, that is pretty. That is gorgeous. We all know I like a bit of BFL silk. That's wonderful. Thank you. Oh, it needs to go back into this. Oh, so we've got, that looks like Firestar. Oh, they feel nice. So I'm assuming these are to make a bat. Oh, guess what? We'll be playing with drum carder at some point. And I might just diz off the drum carder. I haven't done that for a good while now. And I used to do it all the time. But I got into my bats. So what's next? Ooh. Superwash. 6 ounce BFL. Oh, there's something else in there as well. Oh my god, these colours. So that's the BFL. This. That feels like I want to say that feels, it's softer than the BFL, want to go Cheviot. Or Cheviot. Whichever one. Those. Oh, maybe, no, not Cheviot. Shetland. Beautiful. I'm just going to have to spin them up as they are. Wow. I'm well impressed. I love how she's labelled everything. More organised than I'll ever be. Ooh. 63% superwash merino, 20% silk, 15% nylon, and 2% polyester. Oh my, wow. Oh, and that's 4 ounce braid. Wow. That is pretty. And we all know I'm not a red person, but this is a deeper red. This isn't like bright in your face red. Like, stop, not, no, kind of red. This is a sexy red, if you catch my drift. That's gorgeous. I'd never be able to make that colour, because I'll never buy reds. That is stunning. Very nice. Stunning, stunning. Ooh, we've got another BFL silk. I could have been wrong. It could have been BFL. Could be the silk that's making it softer. Oh, that feels good. It's ain't crimping it. That's nice. Oh, I like that. There's going to be a lot of green and blue and yellow coming our way soon. I like them. Oh gosh. Next one. This is 3.3 ounce of, it says mystery wool, but it's soft. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. It's not Target because it doesn't have a right spring to it. Could be American breed. That's nice. I like that. Such pretty colours as well. Look at them colours. Oh, stunning. Stunning. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ooh, last but not least, we have 4.6 ounce of alpaca wool blended from her friend's farm. Oh! Straight up alpaca, all ready to spin, that I don't have to prep. That That is so soft. So soft. Oh, and that colour. Is that not just gorgeous? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is soft. That is a soft alpaca. Not even my alpaca without soft. Sorry, I'm just getting a bit of VM. They all like to roll around the little things. Oh, it's stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I love it. Well, that's everything. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'm going to put my thick socks on now because I got too excited to put them on. I had to open the box. So thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing from a subscriber. Don't forget, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more random uploads. No matter where you are in the world, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening, or night time, I want you to do what you love doing. Love and hugs to all you fantastic people out there. And I'll definitely see you all again soon. Goodbye, my beautifuls. Mwah.